Hello everyone, welcome back to UTalk TV. Today we're going to talk about una cosa muy curiosa que se llaman verbos de urgencia. Qué nombre tan raro, pero you have to tenerlos en cuenta, you have to keep them in mind because nos dan mucho la lata, they're a pain. Estos verbos son el verbo suggest, insist and recommend. Suggest, insist and recommend. And the problem is in Spanish we use them in a different way. Por ejemplo, te recomiendo que vengas. Subjuntivo, ¿vale? Te recomiendo que vengas. So, because in English we don't have that structures with some subjunctive, we use I recommend you come or I suggest you come. Okay? Pay attention because it's you come is the verb in infinitive, el verbo en forma base que se llama como en infinitivo pero sin el to. Okay? Even in the past tense, for example, te recomendé que vinieras. Okay? Te recomendé que vinieras. I recommended you come. Okay? Incluso en tercera persona. Le recomiendo a ella que me llame, ¿ok? O le sugiero a ella que me llame. I suggest she call me. Fijaros que suena raro. She call me, pero es la marca del subjuntivo, ¿ok? Alright, so let's give it a try at home. Alright, te sugiero que estudies inglés. I suggest you study English. Podéis poner that, ¿ok? That you study English. Alright, if you will, si preferéis. Te recomendé que estudiaras inglés, alright? I recommended you study English. Fijaros que no es studied, okay? Study. So keep it in mind. Tenlo en cuenta. Recommend, suggest, and insist. Insist no tanto, pero recommend and suggest because of the Spanish influence. Focus on that. I've seen that mistake in many people, even pro people in English, alright? Like me, I used to make that mistake a lot before. But now, keep that in mind, practice, and urgency verbs. Thank you. Bye.